What's up, everybody? Brian Wagner from Dragzine here at PRI once again. I'm with Colin with Max Tie Downs, and Max Tie Downs has some really cool stuff. But Colin, let's talk about the Max PiVOT, because this looks like something that I myself could have used when I was trying to stick the engine in Project Number Cruncher. It's a really cool product. Just explain what it is.
Absolutely. So it is quite honestly the best engine and removal tool on the market. We've been producing this piece for over 20 years. We've got a variety of adapters for late model fuel injected engines, but if you're dealing with a good old fashioned 4150, 4160 Holly flange or 2-barrel Carter or Rochester, all of those base flange patterns are already laser cut into the base plate. So it's simply a matter of removing the carburetor, replacing it temporarily with a Max PiVOT, and go to work removing or reinstalling that engine, and it doesn't care whether the transmission is attached or not.
See, that's really cool. Like, we'll have in the B-roll, I was looking at the product, and like the angle that it's at, it looks like it's really heavy duty product. Kind of talk about what the material is made of and how that pivot section works.
Absolutely. All 1/4 inch thick plate, laser cut steel, produced right here in the good old US of A. We rely on no outside vendors or sourcing for anything in that piece. Allows us to control the manufacturing. Zinc plated on the Acme screw and powder coated on everything else. But the big advantages are there are no chains, there are no cables, so there's no firewall interference, there's nothing going around the sides of your engine to mar up valve covers. And most importantly, the thing just works. There's no ineffective, stupid little cranks that you struggle with. And it's one of those products that is so simple but yet so effective.
So no more frustrating hand cranks when you're trying to lean over the engine. I can just reach in with my impact and zip zap bip bap and it changes the angle?
Yeah, but honestly, an impact is way too fast. That is a 5/8 Acme thread, so it reacts very quickly, and honestly, you'll be amazed at just how few foot-pounds of torque are required to tip that engine either direction.
So I can just use a ratchet?
Easily. Or an end wrench, or whatever.
So even if you don't have a power tool, you can make it happen, and it can make a 2-person job a 1-person job?
Easily. And you greatly reduce the chances of that mar in the firewall, the smashed knuckles, the damaged wiring harness, or whatever it might be that is always at risk using other methods.
Awesome product. Make sure you check it out. We'll throw some B-roll in there. We got more for you here on Dragzine.com.